Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best inversion table reviews in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Innova Adjustable Headrest Inversion Table. Without a doubt, this is the most competitive price range for inversion tables. And this table is among the best options for its given price tag. It boasts a 300 pounds weight capacity and can accommodate users between the heights of 4 feet 10 inches to 6 feet 6 inches. And luckily, each of us fell right within this range. This table does not offer everything that the Teeter FitSpine X3 has. However, it is still one of the better options on the market that we found. This sturdy table comes with a variety of unique features, starting with its wide backrest pad and ergonomic foam handlebars. While these look fairly basic at first, we were surprised at how much comfort and support they provided. We also liked the True Balance system, which made it easier for us to find our center of gravity. The system has 2 adjustable parts, which is not seen on most inversion tables. Another feature that impressed us is the 6-angle pin system. This made it easy to adjust the table so that it remains in a safe and comfortable position. Many inversion tables, particularly older versions, use an old tether strap system which tends to loosen after repeated use. Number 2. Our second best pick is Innova Health and Fitness IDM 4800 Inversion Table. Another inversion table at a competitive price range is this table. Like the first model of Innova table, no longer available, from Ironman, it is one of the few inversion tables that offer infrared therapy. Sunny Health and Fitness also has an inversion table in this category called the SF807. But for us, there's a clear winner. The Innova Fitness table has a heavy, sturdy frame and can support up to 300 pounds. The solid frame coupled with the 6-angle pin system kept us securely in place while we used the product. We also liked that the backrest pad was soft and wide, as it allowed for a comfortable and easy inversion. Like the first model of Innova, the second model features a double adjustable True Balance system. This allows you to adjust the headrest and height so that you can easily find your center of gravity and have a smoother inversion experience. Number 3. Our third best pick is Teeter FitSpine X1 Inversion Table. If you're looking for a premium quality inversion table and don't want to spend a whopping $500 plus as you would with this inversion table, then this one may be what you're looking for. From testing, we found that this inversion table offered many of the benefits that the X3 has. This includes their easy reach ankle system, which kept us safely and securely in place. It also features full-length side handles, which helped us control the rotation and return to an upright position. Having a handle built into the base of the frame encourages deeper muscle stretching, while Teeter's easy tether strap is great for limiting the inversion range. As with the other Teeter hang-ups tables, this is compatible with a range of accessories. This includes their acupressure nodes and lumbar bridge, which can often be purchased with the table in a package deal. The solid steel frame supports a weight capacity of 300 pounds and a height range of 4'8" to 6'6". Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Teeter FitSpine X3 Inversion Table. If you're looking for a safe and reliable inversion table, then this is among the very best. These have a UL third-party certification and are some of the only inversion tables registered with the FDA for medical use. While it's often used by medical professionals, it makes a great addition to your home gym too. The only downside to this device that we found was its rather hefty price tag. But given the many premium features it possesses, it's clear to see why. The first key feature is the inversion table's extra-long aerospace-grade ankle lock system. We liked this as it made us feel secure and in control. The lumbar bridge proved to be very effective at relieving tension in the lower back. But what really stood out to us was the acupressure nodes. These provide trigger point relief, which helps with sore muscles and back pain. When comparing inversion tables, we also found this one to be the most comfortable. It has an 8-part floating suspension system, which lifts the bed off the stainless steel frame and provides a softer, more flexible surface. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Backlounge Inversion Bench. The next entry on our list is this inversion bench. While it's not as big and sturdy as the other best inversion tables mentioned, it provides many of the same benefits. This makes it a great option for anyone with limited space. However, it's worth mentioning that it only has a weight capacity of 250 pounds. What we loved most about this bench is that you require little to no assistance to use it. It features a smart design that puts you in complete control. And best of all, you don't need to tilt completely upside down to get all the benefits that come with inversion therapy. Another feature that we liked was the medium-density lumbar foam rollers. These dig deep into the soft tissue surrounding your spine and hips, providing unmatched relief. In addition to providing relief for your back and neck, the inversion bench also allows you to strengthen your core muscles. Developing your core muscles will help greatly as it may prevent back or neck pains in the long run. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.